Alright guys, so we came out here today to test out some Vee Moto Bulldozer tires. I want to say a special thanks to John Levesque at Ronnie Cycles and Craig Hoyt from Vee Moto for helping set this up. These tires are a little bit stiff when I mounted them, but that could be because I haven't changed tires in like 2 years. It was a little bit of a struggle, but we got them on. I think that the next time I'll probably have a little bit more practice under my belt, and it shouldn't be so bad. But these are intermediate to soft terrain tires. Where we're riding today here at my old family track, it's soft, some mud, some sand. These things hooked up. The guys I was riding with definitely can attest to the fact that they were throwing some mud. They cleaned out well too. I mean, the mud came out of them easy when some of the other guys' tires were packing up. So, I mean, they're a good tire. They're a great tire. They've been running in the GNCCs for a while, and I got nothing negative to say about these things. These things hooked right up. They tracked. They cornered. I ran 11 pounds of air in each tire just because we were doing some of the sections that had some roots in them. I'm not a woods rider, and guys, I'll tell you what, these things really hooked up. I enjoyed riding this today and riding in the woods, and that's not something that normally is my forte. So anyway, 2 thumbs up, guys. Vee Moto tires. These are called the Bulldozer, so look for them to come out pretty soon. Thanks for watching.